Today, an entrepreneur needs to have a planning process in the beginning of their venture. The first steps of the planning process include finding the right business idea and developing the business plan. The entrepreneur decides what field they want their business to go into, usually a field they specialize in. During this time, identifying exactly what needs to be accomplished, build the venture, and what human and financial resources are required to implement the plan. According to small business, researching both ventures and using the decision-making process to choose between the two. The decision-making process consists of identifying the problem, identifying the decision criteria, allocating the weights to the criteria, developing alternatives, analyzing the alternatives, selecting an alternative, and implementing the alternative. Some steps of the process can be used to help the entrepreneur. By conducting the research, you can do both primary and secondary research. Primary research can be conducted by interviews, workshops, or in a focus group. Secondary research is a research that has already been compiled, organized, gathered, and published by others, usually found in libraries and online articles. Both types of research can be used to conduct market research. Searching out the competition that entrepreneur will have in the startup or potential partners she can collab with. Making a business plan to lay out all of the entrepreneur's ideas, which starts with their title page and ends with their finance factors. In the business plan, the entrepreneur will discuss the executive summary, business description, market strategies, competitive analysis, design and develop analysis, operations, and plan management. An executive summary can be used in an investment proposal for the not-for-profit business and in a business plan for the profit business. It'll give a report of the major details, such as a brief statement of the concise analysis and main conclusions, the problem or proposal covered in the major documents, background information. The business description gives an insight of how large the company will be, what will the company do, the business that the entrepreneur plans to run, details such as where to locate, what does the entrepreneur hope to accomplish. It will enlist the company name, type of business, ownership, location, company history, mission statement, products and or services, target market, objectives, and a mission statement. As you can see, I have prepared a pie chart to show my answers for are consumers skeptical of profit businesses that have social clauses that have social causes as a mission. The orange indicates number of people that said yes, and the blue indicates people that said no. I did my survey based on 4, and this was it. So I conducted a survey amongst family members and retrieved the following data shown in the chart. 3 voted yes and 1 voted no. The persons who stated yes, when asked for reason why they stated it is extremely difficult today for businesses to convince consumers of social claims, mostly because there are increases of scammers in the world today. Everyone's trying to make a quick dollar, so the influence would have to be great. The others stated greed changes their vision after they have started making large sums of money. The one person that said no stated businesses start off with a mission to help social causes and then forget afterwards. They lapse in what their mission was. Like some supermarkets that stated they'd be changing from plastic to paper bags and now have forgotten to continue doing so, or those that usually contribute to the company and haven't done so in a while. References that I used or smallbusinesscon, and medium.com to retrieve my articles. Again, this is my chart that I prepared. Are consumers skeptical of profit businesses that have social causes as a mission?